Some scary baboon. And we're in the new LTM Beetle Monster. I'm really scared. I haven't played it in a while. Whoa! Monster! 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 What a monster! What a monster!
What is this? I don't
I want this dude right here.
Oh, finish. What a monster! What a monster!
Monsters out your ass.
Shot me! Who shot me?
I killed him!
Who the fuck shot me?
Yo, what's so many people? What the hell?
Me.
What the hell?
Why?
I killed you! I killed you!
Why is everything
Why so many people? Everybody! Yo, bigger!
I'm inside! There's dicks inside! It's a big... I wanna come in! Inside! There's niggers inside!
Such your ugly ass, pasty ass, don't come in! You wanna come in?
Hey! Follow me, guys! Follow me! Everybody follow me! Fuck you, fat Teletubby, you fatty!
You fat fuck you. I know he know it. Oh, I thought that was him. I was about to start screaming so long. Follow the NICU. Follow the NICU. Where I get a rocket launcher from? I'm about
You
to.
got one, now let's go!
Oh yeah, we're gonna go kill that dude. I ain't go fake. We're gonna blow him up. I ain't go fake. Oh yeah! Bam! Oh! Y'all all done.
There's a glitch if you become the monster, you actually get to have the rocket launcher. It's gotta be like in the same round. So if the person
how do you get a rocket launcher?
Oh, you have to stay survive.
Come on, please, no English! No English!
Daddy, bro, pop me.
That's my hiding spot. That's my hiding spot.
Come on, let's go! We're always trying to... I never...
Hey, where's...
Whip it, whip it, whip it.
Guys, follow
whip
me,
it.
guys, follow me. I know where to go.
What the hell?
Come here.
Yeah.
Diddy party.
Fat Teletubby!
Oh my god!
No, you're hiding in the bathroom.
What would you like to order, bro? What would you like to order?
Fat Teletubby!
Keep it open.
Such your ugly self, pasty chromosome, no home.
Let's go, I won.
Yo, nobody come down. Nobody come in here. Nobody come in here.
It's
Come
Poppy
Where's the Fat
Pants.
Teletubby at?
Poppy Pants is the next killer.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, Poppy.
Oh, grenade!
Oh my gosh!
What the bro? Everybody rise. I'll say
Yo, can you help me? I need to pick something.
Pure chaos happening. Pure chaos. Pure chaos. Pure chaos.
Somebody join us! Somebody join us! Guys, vote me as killer!
No.
I'm Dick Dick! Stuck in your mouth, Digger! Who said that? Who said that? I'm Dick Dick Nigger! That's my name! What's up, buddy? Bro, what? What's my money?
Bro, get out of here. I'm
Anybody?
Damn, somebody get shot.
Alright, it's done.
I'm true cranker.
The tractor.
Guys, see, I told you.
Don't kill me. Come back. I know how to become big. Come with me.
Don't kill me.
You're ugly. You retarded. You retarded.
Guys, come with me if you want to become.
Got killed. Just got killed. I ain't playing this game anymore.
Guys, join the code.
Shut your